We're in the Iconic program. Got an email through the Idaho Department of Labor and had some prior experience and thought I'd jump on and see what I could learn. And I sent an email and talked to Rhonda and had an interview and found myself here.
So what we're trying to instill on the students is most of the basic knowledges that they need to go get a foot in out in the workforce in the dirt world.
It's a BTI and put on by Iconic, and great thing, great opportunity, all around just exciting and good time.
Really, we go over basics. We spend a lot of time in the simulators. I think these students had about 4 weeks in simulators. So it's all good basics for them to go to a job interview and say, hey, I have this, you know. And then when we get on the machines like what we're doing out here, we're working on, you know, the muscle memory, the safety of the machines, you know, first and foremost, being safe on them, getting their muscle memory down and getting all the basics to do a lot of the basic maneuvering, digging, whatever the machine is that they're on. That's what we focus on.
Started out in simulator training and got comfortable with learning how to run the joysticks, operate the machines on the computer side, and it gives you the skill to come out here and be comfortable with what you're doing, because it's a whole lot different when you get into the real world type stuff. But it's fun, it's a great time. The instructors, they've taught me stuff that I thought I knew. It blows my mind. They are great instructors. Everybody here, helpful, skilled, yeah, it's a good environment.
My uncle was actually a heavy equipment mechanic, so I got to, you know, tag along when he was working on the heavy equipment, and we got to climb up in it and when I was a kid, so I've always been interested. I've actually worked in construction previously, so I've been around it. I've operated aerial lifts before. I just thought it would be really neat to get, and I was afforded the opportunity to do this amazing training, and so I took advantage.
It was an opportunity I seen to become a heavy equipment operator, and I clicked that button because it's a once-in-a-lifetime chance. You click that button, and luckily I got picked to come out here and do this, so I'm blessed, very blessed.